don't know where she at. Y'all, Ava is over here with me right now via FaceTime. So that's who I'm talking to. Hey, I just forgot what I was gonna say. Okay, hold on. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a different type of video today. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I revamp one of my old wigs and have it going from looking like, no, that's not what I want to say, a bum to a baddie. Y'all see me right now, because this is not how I was looking just like 3-4 hours ago. I was looking crazy. So if you guys would like to see how I went from looking like that to this, keep on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Put your finger down there on the button. Just do it right now. Do it now, because you're gonna love me, because I already love you. So why don't we just come together? But yes, you're gonna love it here. So just go ahead and subscribe, baby, because why not? You don't got nothing else to do. It's quarantine. But anyway, don't forget to turn on y'all post notifications as well, so you can be notified of every new video I got coming out. And without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Okay, so first we gonna start with this raggedy wig. We gonna brush it out because you need the hair free of tangles before you apply any type of water or product to it. So right now, that's all I'm doing is brushing out my wig. Now we're just gonna saturate the wig and, you know, get it moisturized before we begin to apply the conditioner. Y'all, I don't know, but that word just so funny to me. But yeah, I'm using Moisture Rich by Tresemme and Cream of Nature Argan Oil conditioner as well to co-wash my hair. I rarely shampoo my hair unless it's like mad dirty or like I was rolling in the dirt or something, like when I did the flower challenge. But I don't really use shampoo because it strips the hair, like, you know what I mean? Like, it makes the hair dry. So I always just co-wash my hair unless it's absolutely dirty. So yes, that's all I'm doing right now is co-washing the wig. So now I'm going to do my deep conditioning, I guess. I put my wig in a bag and tie it up and put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and take it out, and it's really soft. Here's my cat. I love her very much. And yeah, you take it out after 30 seconds, and in a minute you guys will see the results. So this is the results. This is how you want your wig to be after you've conditioned it and microwaved it, free of tangles, and you could just run your hands through it while it's wet. So now I'm just rinsing all of the conditioner out of my wig. Make sure the water that's building up in the sink or runs off of your hair is as clear as possible. It's normal to have like some suds, but you want it as sud free as possible. So now I'm gonna wrap my hair up in a t-shirt. It's best to always wrap your hair in a t-shirt because it won't take away the moisture from the hair, versus using a big towel, it will suck the moisture out of your hair. So next I'm just gonna take my 2 clips and my comb to begin to comb back. We'll comb forward the hairs that will be the hairline, the front of the hairline, and tie those back with my clips. And then I will be taking the loose pieces that are connected to the balding area that I'm going to cut off. I'm trying to separate those two. So that's what I'm going to be doing in these clips up ahead. that are connected to the balding area like I stated before, and combing out some of that old adhesive from previous installs. And now I'm gonna cut off that part that's balding so we can have a fresh frontal, even though it's a closure, but that ain't nobody business. It's gonna be a frontal for us. But yeah, that's all I'm doing, y'all, is combing the hairs back that's connected to the hairline and separating it from the pieces that are connected to the balding lace and just cutting it off. Plain and simple. And y'all, don't mind my ghetto wig stand. I threw away my broken tripod, so I had to stand it up on my box so y'all could see what I was doing. Like, I had to get creative for y'all, so y'all welcome. Like, I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna just do this video, I'm gonna finesse it, I'm a nigga rig what I got a nigga rig so they could see, and I did it. So don't talk about my ghetto wig stand, y'all. Okay, love y'all, bye.
Skool on the beat.
Voiceover. I'm like, okay, guys. So you do a 72, and then I'm like, wait. I messed up a little bit.
Ava is over here with me right now via FaceTime, so that's who I'm talking to right now. You want to get in the camera? Okay, she don't want to get in the camera, y'all. But yeah, y'all, ain't it cute? Ain't it cute? Don't mind my nails, y'all. In the process of me doing my hair, this nail popped off, so I know it's improper nail etiquette. Don't talk about me. I'm gonna get it together. I'm gonna redo my nails, because guess what? I do my own nails, so my own wigs and my own nails. Giving you scalp realness, baby. Scalp realness, okay? Y'all see it? Period, Pooh. Y'all hear her? She said definitely giving scalp realness, okay? Don't play with me. I got this hair stuff in the bag, not just a fashion, baby, okay? Yeah. And that's on period. That's on period. I really love this wig. So the details on this wig. I got this 30-inch hair from Amazon. Yes, Amazon. And the dad like this. I got it from Amazon. I got the closure. This is a 7x7 closure. It stops here. I really love it because it gives me frontal vibes, but it's still a closure. It's a finesse. I actually got it from the beauty supply store. Right, finesse, right?
That's good.
So, yeah, I got this closure from the beauty supply store by my house. I think it was somewhere between 80 and 100. But I already had some of this hair from one of my other wigs. I had like hair left over, and I bought it from this lady that sold hair at my old school. So I bought it last year, a year later, almost a whole year later, and it's still giving like, you see, you feel me, like looking good. So if y'all seen my TikTok, okay, I'm trying to get on TikTok more. I'm trying to expand and grow more, grow my fan base more, so I'm getting on TikTok more. If y'all seen my TikTok, y'all already seen the transformation, looking from a bum to a baddie. So Y'all, I look so cute. Like, y'all know I don't be doing all of this with lashes and stuff like this. If y'all knew how long it took me to put these eyelashes on, I miss being able to just, like, when you put the lashes on, it just activates just the baddie in you, period, baby. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, if y'all like or want more videos like this, let me know in the comments below and smash the like button, okay? Because I'm gonna be coming with more wig videos over time, wig reviews, hair reviews, wig revamp videos just like this one. So if y'all like these videos, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on y'all post notifications, okay, baby? Because y'all want to know the next video I got coming out. Because I'm coming with the heat. I told y'all this already.
Period.
My friend, no, period. I love y'all. I hope everybody's having a great day, evening, morning, night, whatever time that you're watching this. I hope you're having a good one. I love you, and I will see you in my next video.
I'm weak. I'm sorry.